Undercover investigation here, Jen.
Well, you've probably seen the ads in your newspaper and mailbox. Carpets clean for $9.95 a room. So is it a deal, or are you getting no deal at all?
Just nice, clean carpeting, no big deal.
Nancy Williams thought she had a deal with a $9.95 carpet cleaning coupon, but the high-pressure sales made her feel threatened in her own home.
Let me try to get this deal worked out. And no. Do I have to call 911?
John Frappicella says his carpet tech called his boss 5 times when he refused the $411 estimate. John also had a $9.95 coupon.
It's a game that these companies play, and the consumer needs to be aware of that.
So are these carpet cleaning coupons really a good deal, or are they no deal at all? To find out, we take an ordinary house and we fill it with a few hidden cameras. Then we put 4 carpet cleaning companies to the test. They all advertise less than $10 a room, but who really gives us the real deal?
Yeah, what do you got for me today?
Osage Cleaning advertises $8.99 per room, but we find out that deal doesn't apply.
So the $8.99 deal won't get it clean?
No.
The final tally here is $57.98. With the coupon, our 2 rooms should just be $18. All Pro Cleaning is next on our list.
Are you Steve from All Pro?
Okay, how you doing?
This tech seems like a real pro. He comes in, sets up his equipment, and spends 45 minutes demonstrating his cleaning techniques. Then he talks price.
Altogether, we're looking at $222.95. That gets everything.
We remind the tech about our $9.95 coupon, and the negotiations begin. The tech calls his boss back at the office, and miraculously, the price drops.
He'd knock off a chunk of money and put it down to $165 for you.
With just a phone call, we save $57.95. We still refuse, and the tech decides to do us a favor by honoring their coupon.
Would you like me to go ahead and do a basic steam clean on while I'm here?
So what is a basic steam clean? According to the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification, customers should expect these basics: vacuuming, preconditioning, extraction, grooming, and drying of the carpet on every job. Though the IICRC sets the standard for carpet cleaning, they are only recommendations.
These are fundamental principles according to
Brian Bach follows IICRC standards. He owns Bach Steam Star and is a master textile cleaner. It's the industry's highest ranking. Brian says those coupon deals are no deals at all.
You just cannot clean carpet professionally for those type of prices and stay in business.
Looking at our quotes, Brian questioned some of the extra charges.
There's $182.40 right there for stuff that should be included anyway.
But charging extra isn't the case in all our tests.
Hello.
My name is Will.
Okay, hi, Will. Come on in.
A-Star Cleaning stops by our test house, and the tech agrees to clean our carpet for $9.95 a room. It's the only company to honor its advertised price.
Hi, I'm Charles.
Oh, hi.
Cleaning.
Custom Cleaning also advertises $9.95 a room. Within minutes of arriving, the tech gets right to work. But when it's time to talk price, once again, our coupon is not an option.
Everything came up to $384.70.
$384.70.
Yes, you just signed it.
Well, this is what I was prepared with today, so I'm kind of shocked at that total, just financially, the $9.95 per rooms.
The 1990.
Yeah, the 1990.
For some customers usually are a little off, but
And shocked is how a number of their customers feel. Since 2003, there have been 29 complaints filed with the Better Business Bureau on custom cleaning and their sales practices. So when we heard some of those same complaints, we took action.
Hey Charles, Jen Strathman with NBC Action News.
yeah.
Just want to touch base with you. Where do we get $384? I mean, the coupons here say $9.95 a room,
Yeah, that's for the base steam clean.
but it doesn't say basic. It says any size room, $9.95 for cleaning.
Once again, this so-called deal turns out to be no deal at all.
You think it's right to advertise this way, and then when you arrive, it to be from $9.95 to $384.20.
Well, that tech didn't have any answers, and surprisingly, neither did his supervisors at Custom Cleaning. The company never returned any of our phone calls. And the companies who did call us back say the coupon deals are typically for repeat customers, not new ones. But let me tell you, it does not say that on the coupon.
Oh, you get them all the time.
Oh, yeah.
They're always there.
Any chance of this ending?
There is. Next year, they're going to have 2 manufacturers that are going to actually make sure that an IICRC firm comes out and cleans your carpet, or your warranty is out the window.
Really? Okay.
All right.
So,
Yeah.
no, that makes a
Great
lot of
story.
sense.
And we have those firms on our call for action blog, NBCActionNews.com.
All right. We'll take a look at that.
Thanks,
Very
Jen.
eye-opening. Thanks.